Okay, this is a little bitty mouse. Wow, that's a little bitty mouse, and it is about to become the meal for
Quita.
And this is probably the only time you're going to see a little baby mouse just born become food for...
I don't even know if she's going to actually eat it.
Tarantula. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if she's going to eat it right in front of us. She's kind of...
Let's see what she's doing.
Oh.
Oh.
She's smelling it right now.
Okay. And she's on it now. Okay, now it's starting. This movie. Oh, this is so cool.
It's Quita.
She is a real nice tarantula.
She's very nice. And she'll go really fast.
Wow. Oh, that's a big one.
Probably end up seeing things.
Yeah. Now, we want to see, there's a little baby mouse. And she likes, what does she like again? Spiders? You got her a spider to eat today?
No, I got her a mouse.
I mean, besides a mouse.
Oh, Quita. Get in there. There you go, Quita.
Okay.
Eat you that mouse.
Yeah, there's a little mouse in here. Like a little baby mouse.
I don't think she's doing anything. She's right on top of it.
She's right on top of the mouse now.
Maybe I think she's more shy when she eats. So it might just take her a little while.
Yeah. And the little baby mouses are moving. That's a newborn, by the way. Just gave birth.
Yeah. I think it might take her a little bit.
And now, what else do you have, Elder?
Got some crickets in here.
Got some delicious crickets, as she really loves crickets, like majorly.
Probably. Oh, there
Oh,
they
look
are.
at all those crickets.
There's a ton of them.
There's a ton of them. Yeah. And she eats those, like 6 of them in 1 week, huh?
She can if you ended up leaving them in there.
Oh, she's looking at that baby.
Let me see what she thinks about it. Oh.
I'll let this to you too. Or should I just send it to you?
It doesn't. Either way.
Okay.
I think it might take a little while for her to eat it.
Okay.
Did you get it?
No, she's shy. She's a shy little eater.
There's little crickets.
Probably have to get another container for them.
Oh. Wow, that's a lot of food for her all at once.
Yep. You have to be careful because they'll end up burrowing into her her molt. And they'll burrow into her skin when she's molting. So you can't put too many of them in there.
You boys have enough hangers. Oh yeah. You sure?
After 40 years, I actually experienced comics like that.
Well, you got enough neckties.
He's got a lot of neckties.
Nick, did I give you a necktie?
Yeah.
Okay.
I actually got the necktie. I've been getting some new ones over there from some of my buddies.
Yeah.
Which is really cool. Hey, did you see your picture on the wall?
My picture?
Yep, your picture's on the wall over here.
Thank you, it's working. It's working. The light somehow is different, like over here. The light is working.
I'm going to eat her eating the mouse. Just kidding. There's your picture right over there. It's on the wall. Oh. Got you up there.
You got me here. Pulling tricks on me again.
No, you really are on the wall over there.
This is Martin, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Look at that fella right there. He's like, what? That guy looks kind of funny. What's Martin doing?
Yeah, I have to. It'd be fun to see Martin at a rodeo. What kind of cowboy he is. I don't know why. It never occurred to me that a Mormon could be a cowboy.
Isn't that cool?
I thought I was being bookworms and that sort of thing. But they're no different than the rest of us. Out in Wyoming and Utah.
I don't see the blood that you say.
You don't?
No.
Oh yeah,
It's dripping off its neck.
they're just like the rest of us. We're just like the rest of you guys. Except for
I don't see what the neck is.
Ooh.
They're religious.
You see her sticking her...
Oh, she's chowing.
I can see.
She's chowing big time.
You putting this on YouTube?
I will, so I can show you.
that is me.
But I had to get the stupid camera so it would even focus, you know.
That tastes good to her.
The other one
A little bit more filling than...
And this little cricket right here.
Cricket, where's the cricket?
Right here.
It's natural.
Just in the corner. This is her little hut.
Oh, there's the cricket. I see it now.
Oh, really?
The cricket?
I need a soft mattress instead of a stiff hardwood, you know. So,
You look like you're a young man yourself, Harold. Looks like you can handle one of them old hard mattresses.
no. I don't have much meat on my bones.
We, one of the apartments that the missionaries stay at, they,
I bet you there is not even a YouTube on YouTube showing this.
I'm surprised because there's not a whole lot of things that you'd expect to be up there.
Yeah.
See this? She's got plants just naturally growing in here. Oh, she didn't like that.
well, I have kind of a special way I wash them just to kind of keep them right white and see if I can.
She's just possessive of her animal, you know?
Mm-hmm. Of her food.
Of her food, yeah.
Wash them.
She doesn't want me to, like, take it or...
Let them sit in this stuff for about
I've never seen her poop.
15 or 20 minutes.
You've never seen her poop? Does she poop?
I don't know. I'm sure she does because I'm pretty sure every living thing does.
In the washer, and then
Get on back
throw them
now.
both in the washer, and then let them spin for about 5 minutes.
And she's like half the animal's in her. What is she going to do with the other half?
And let them soak for about
You get what I'm saying?
5 minutes, and then
Yeah.
turn it on and get it out of my regular
Like, what if she can't finish this
keep it
thing?
pretty white, and then for the collars and stuff like that.
I think she'll be able to finish it.
Like that.
Smile.
I'll paste this all over the collars.
That's
crazy.
Stuff like that.
That's crazy.
That's crazy, Daisy.
Have you ever used
I kind of just want to
I have.
touch her
I
fangs.
No, don't.
Oh, no.
Oh.
And so when this runs out, I'll go get that spray
Just to
stuff.
watch her eat is really weird. Those mandibles or whatever. It's just she's just going to town, you know.
I can kind of hear it.
Oh, really?
Her thorax part is supposed to get quite a bit bigger. Her butt's just getting bigger right now.
Oh, her
I'm
butt.
surprised. Normally she's a really shy eater. I mean, I guess if you don't give her any choice and
In the matter.
Yeah, then she's not particularly picky, especially when she has
Where's
nowhere
her
to
eyes?
go. Right on top of her head, right there.
Oh, that's her eyes. So she is looking at me.
Yep, she's a camera hog.
Oh, okay. She's like a little furry thing.
She's got a unibrow.